As with our concerns for the situation in Xinjiang, we are also seriously concerned about credible reports detailing human rights abuses in Tibet. United Nations human rights treaty bodies and United Nations special procedures have detailed the detention of Tibetans for the peaceful expression of political views, restrictions on travel, coercive labour arrangements, separation of children from families in boarding schools, and erosion of linguistic, cultural, educational, and religious rights and freedoms in Tibet. We urge China to uphold the international human rights obligations it has voluntarily assumed and to implement all United Nations recommendations, including from the Office of the Commissioner for Human Rights Assessment, treaty bodies, and other United Nations human rights mechanisms. This includes releasing all individuals arbitrarily detained in both Xinjiang and Tibet, and urgently clarifying the fate and whereabouts of missing family members. Transparency and openness are key to allaying concerns, and we call on China to allow unfettered and meaningful access to Xinjiang and Tibet for independent observers, including from the United Nations, to evaluate the human rights situation.